Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Richard. This is Random Street Theater, and I have to try for you today the double barbecue bacon quarter pounder, which would make it a half pounder, but ta-da! And you people have said you enjoy it when I cut these in half, so here is my knife, and here is me cutting this in half. You can really see the barbecue sauce. There it is. 2 patties. I did not order it with pickles and onions because they make me sick. And again, for those of you who are purists who say I have to order it with pickles and onions to get the full effect, let me review this in pickles and onions. Wow, this gave me a stomachache. I am going to be sick now. That over. Let's try this burger. Indeed, that barbecue sauce is very strong. It is a sweet, smoky barbecue sauce with mesquite and brown sugar, or sage and brown sugar. Somewhat overpowers the bacon, leaving the bacon as nothing but a texture. In larger sandwiches like this, it really showcases how flimsy the McDonald's buns are. There's a fly in here. Because as you can see, the bun compresses completely. That is commonly what you get with buns that are made with edible plastic. I, of course, cannot confirm if this bun is made with edible plastic, but it reacts like a bun made with edible plastic. The average American consumes 1 credit card's worth of plastic in a 7-day period. Be honest with you, this is an excellent change from the quarter pounder or the double quarter pounder. So if you're a regular at McDonald's, this is great. I don't know if it's as good as the original. Could be that the sauce is not as evenly distributed. I mean, I like it. I'd rather just go get another quarter pounder if I were still hungry, but it's a hefty hamburger. You know, solid, with a reasonable amount of flavor. I would have distributed the barbecue sauce a little more evenly, but other than that, can't really complain. Not the best thing I've had from McDonald's, but far from the worst. Anyway, Thank you for sharing this moment with me. I'm Richard. Ladies, gentlemen, and human-type persons, I am Sergeant Duck, and I am tasking you with commenting on this video. You should also like and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this with your friends and make a better, more disciplined world for you and for me. Dismissed!